So new stable method is back. So how to use? It's simple. Just click on this. Let me do from the beginning. So if you already have this extension, then perfect, easy. So if you haven't downloaded this extension, then how to use it? It's a very simple. So once you download, open this download setting, and you will see, you will find this folder area. Okay, and right click. Okay, right click and extract here. In so more option, there is also a method to extract here. Okay, extract here. Once you extract here, just close it. Okay, and after that, go to the three dot setting area, extension, and turn on your developer mode on, load unpack, and see download section. Okay, don't open it, just highlight your extracted file, select, and you will see something like this. Error is nothing, just a version error mistake. Okay, just close this and come back to this section. Turnitin v4 server 24. You will be provided more than 4 to 8 servers, so there will be no limitation in checking, most likely. Okay, so let's hope that we are able to provide you the unlimited checking version 1. So Turnitin v4 server 24, click it, and you will say now click on writer's tool extension. Okay, and just pin it. You can also unpin it. Okay, and once you click here, click to access, and you will be something like this. Okay, so new submission and international. Okay, you can exclude this and that, all setting is available. Choose your file. From download, this is a cell mutation, about the cell mutation. It's just a ChatGPT file. So open it and cell mutation. Okay, and submit. It's pretty simple, very simple. So once it upload, it will going to something like this. And see, don't keep this file. It's not your file. After checking your file, getting report, delete your own file. It's a very irritating thing that you left every bit of file. It's not a good thing. Also, it's not a good thing for account itself, or it's not for good for privacy also. Everyone can see your file. It's not a good thing. Same goes with ChatGPT also. Like there are like 50 plus chat that it's still remain in my account. Actually, how many time I have to delete it? You just delete your own work, and after done, just close the tab. So our word count is 1057. Similarity is 3%, and let's see how much AI. So it's 100% AI. As I already mentioned, that this is a direct copy from ChatGPT. So 100% AI. So we will just going to refresh it, and we can download our PDF. So this is the like person. Okay, and it's ready to download. Sometime it may take few seconds or few minutes. You see, it's 100%. And see, it's a Turnitin class university, it's a submission ID, everything is genuine except the way of checking. So this is how you can check your own file. And after that, careful, after that you download your file. See, by clicking you can download here. Okay, and also by clicking here, download here. Okay, so the thing is, you just delete your own file. This is the main important thing. Okay, delete it. After delete it, close this, never log out. Okay, that's all. Thank you.